Academic Search Complete is a multidisciplinary database that includes journals, magazines, and newspapers, and is a good place to start research. In order to open and use the database, we will start here at the library homepage and scroll down until we see articles and databases here at the left. Go ahead and click, and then find Academic Search Complete under A. Click again. And then we will enter our search terms or keywords here in the search toolbar. So today we'll use politics or voting and click search. We always want to make sure that full text here is selected so that we may read the entire article. If we are searching for peer-reviewed or scholarly articles, we want to be certain that peer-reviewed is selected. And then instead of all time, I'm going to narrow it further to just be the last 12 months. In addition, we can open all filters to narrow our search results even more. If I scroll down, you can see there is a subject option here, and we can narrow down even further. So for example, maybe I'm interested in Donald Trump and Joe Biden. Here at the side, you can see 13 and 5. Those are the hit count, or how many articles are related to each. So I'm going to hit apply, and it will narrow my results greatly. Once I find an article that I like, I can click on the title to open it. And I have the option to download it here or access now, which will open a PDF. If I scroll down, it will give me more information and an abstract, which is like a summary of the article. So since I would like to access it now, I'm going to click here. And once I have it open, I have the option to print, download it, cite, and when you cite, you want to click on copy or leave it at copy citation and select your citation style, and then go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. If you would like to email it to yourself, you're going to click on share and then email and enter your email here and click send. For additional questions and how to use the Academic Search Complete farther, go ahead and go back to the library homepage. Select Ask a Question to submit a question to a librarian.